Hello friends, welcome back. Let's see what's the current feelings of your partner and what they are going through. Let's see. Deceit, actually at present your person is thinking about all those deceit they have done with you, or in the past they have been very manipulative, or they have deceived you in the past, or they have went to the third party and how they fooled you in the past. All those things is going on in your person's mind continuously, or maybe it can be going on in your mind also. But if this thing is going on in your mind, then please release all these energies. All these energies also create a blockage in your reunion. So if you are having all this kind of energy what your person did in the past, and you have grudges against your person because of this, so release all those things, because when you think about all these things, the same energy passes on to your person also. So don't be in that energy for long. Release it. I know you feel hurt at times, ki how this person behaved with me, how immaturely he behaved with you, he or she behaved with you, and how they hurt you in the past by being in the third party, or be enjoying with the third party. But you have to release those energies. Na? That was your karma. Because of that you faced it. It is the best way to think is that it was your past life karma. Because of that this person behaved with you in this way. Now that karma is over, and now you both are ready to move forward. See the garden of the gate, your person is standing in the front of the gate, and they want to take a step forward to move ahead in life. This is for sure. And strategizing, they are definitely strategizing about everything. This is both the card number 3 card is coming. This is a card of Jupiter also. This is a card of abundance also. So definitely this person and you both are moving towards abundance. That's for sure. And again just see, I can't believe 3 times 3, 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4 plus 8 is also 3. So your person is definitely strategizing everything, and definitely they're strategizing about love, because angel of balance is coming. That they're definitely balancing things. Maybe even if their financial things are something not right, they're balancing that also. Because of that they are strategizing everything. So they need time for all those things to bring that abundance in both of your life. That's the thing. Now in future, if they have to come into union with you, and for permanent union with you, they have to plan out everything now. So they know, they have to think how they are going to live their life. If their parents are big problem in your life, so they have to think about their financial stability also. So all these things is going on. If suppose they are in the third party relationship, or they are married to third party, if they are coming out of that, so they have to pay some money to the third party also. So that also they are working out. The temple path, that this relation is definitely moving towards more purity, more spirituality. That's for sure. Temple path is coming. That definitely shows that you both are getting spiritually awakened to this relationship. If you have to definitely got awakened only, but your partner is also getting awakened about these things. A woman holding a coin, so definitely they want to ground this relationship, and they want it to, from 5D they want to bring it into 3D. This is for sure, because whenever Pentacles card is coming, that is definitely grounding energy. It is 3D energy. So your person is trying to gain confidence, and they want to bring this relationship from 5D to 3D. Many people must have experienced 5D union with their partner also. That's for sure. A thinking woman, they are thinking lot of things right now. Lot of things is going on in your person's mind continuously. How, when, this and that, or everything they are planning out. So there may be anxiety. There's maybe some anxiety in your person's mind. You can say that. Because of that, they don't know what to do and what not to do. So let them do all those things. They are sorting out things. You can say that. Sorting out things, or a person is holding a book, so they are also gaining information about this journey or twin journey, if they have come to know about it, because the temple path is coming. So they are getting spiritual also, and they are getting spiritual awakening, and so they, because of that they are gaining knowledge also about all these things. I'm telling strengthening bonds. This relationship is very strong, and this bond is very strong. Anyone in the universe can't break this relationship between you and your person. That's for sure. You can say the universe is conspiring to bring both of you together. That's the thing. And the base chakra, root chakra, this relationship is grounding. I'm telling you again and again, this relationship is grounding from 5D to 3D, and this love relationship your person is manifesting with you. this permanent union your person is manifesting with you, that's for sure. Even you are manifesting this relationship in 3D, and your person is also manifesting, both are manifesting this relationship, and it is a manifestation card, so definitely both are manifesting about this, and this relation will ground in 3D reality, that's for sure. Now let's see one more card, what's this the person is having feeling about you right now. Life purpose, intimacy and inner peace. Love, just see, this is a pure love, got it? Unconditional pure love, you both are coming in the unconditional love energy, and this is very important. For this relationship to come into permanent union, you both have to feel unconditional love. Now this person is realizing how unconditionally you love them, without any desire, without any expectation. Every time they behave very badly with you, or they deceived you, then too you behave so nicely with them. All these things they are realizing now, because previously they were not in that capacity, that third eye was not open, because of that they could not realize this, but now they are realizing. And life purpose, I think you both will do some life purpose together, or some of you must have started your life purpose also. I feel that God is guiding you to do a life purpose, because to come into a union, when you engage in some kind of life purpose, your karma starts cutting very fast, and it's very important to do a this life purpose. So if some of you have not got what is a life purpose, and to ask universe what is your life purpose, because twin flames, majority in twin flames, they have to do their life purpose, they have some purpose, because of that they have come on this earth. And intimacy card is coming. This intimacy definitely does not mean only physical intimacy, yes, you got me? This is spiritual intimacy, this is intimacy, you feel intimate towards each other, but not necessarily that lust kind of feeling. Are you trying to get me? Not lust kind of love, that it is only pure unconditional love, that both are feeling about each other, and this is the intention of your person at present. And inner peace, I am telling you, your person is trying to gain knowledge again and again. This card is coming about this journey, about this twin flames or spirituality, anything, because they have got awakening. Because when the person gets awakening, they become very eager to know what is all this thing, and why I am seeing synchronicities, why I am seeing this person's name again and again. So they are getting jolt, and they are getting awakening. Because of that they are gaining knowledge about this, and they are getting inner peace because of this. You both are getting inner peace, your person is also getting inner peace because of this, you can say that. So this is a very nice cards, these are coming out, and this are telling a person and you are coming close to each other, though they may not be visible to you, but definitely you both are coming close to each other. Letting go and fear and deception. Milestone, definitely you will achieve a milestone when you come into union. And again and again the same cards are coming. Even in the base of the card, I've seen some people for feeling the deception. You must be feeling deception, or your person must be feeling deception. You have to go this fear of that your person will deceive you again, or will they play deception again with you. You have to let go this feeling. If you are having this feeling continuously, then let go this deception and let go this fear. Release this energy from your side. It is very important. If you want to come into union, you have to release this kind of energy. Even if your person is feeling if this kind of energy, they have to release this energy, because if they feel it, they must be also feeling that how they deceived you, and because of they are having this fear, so they have to also let go this fear energy, then only they can come into you. And because of that they are not able to approach you, that's what possible. Because of that they are gaining information about this relationship and this twin flame journey and everything, so that they can get inner peace, and they can come out of this all this fear and deception feelings, and let go everything, so that they can come towards you. Okay friends, hope you find the reading very useful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.